Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly exciting for you. A sneak peek into the future of drone technology. That's right, we're diving into the top 5 best drones of 2024. So buckle up and get ready for an exhilarating ride. Let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mini 2CLSI. Meet the DJI Mini 2CLSI, a compact marvel weighing in at less than 249 grams, perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle, whether it's a hike, a road trip, or any adventure you embark on. This drone is your ticket to capturing stunning aerial moments from above wherever life takes you. Percy. Now, what sets this drone apart is its user-friendly design. It's not just for the pros. It's perfect for beginners, too. With simplified operations, you'll be mastering the art of aerial photography in no time. And for added safety, it comes equipped with a return-to-home function, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Enterprise DCP. Wait, there's more. The DJI Mini 2C boasts an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes. And if that's not enough, the combo comes with 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, giving you a total flight time of up to 93 minutes. That's more time to explore and create without interruptions. Now let's talk about imaging. With just a few taps on the DJI Fly app, you can capture epic shots effortlessly. The app features easy-to-use shooting templates, allowing the drone to automatically fly, record, and generate professional-level videos. Shares it to share your adventures directly on social media and let your creativity soar. The Mini 2SA offers an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. That's right, fly farther and capture more breathtaking views. Thanks to DJI OcuSync, the transmission is significantly stronger compared to Wi-Fi, providing enhanced reliability and anti-interference compatibilities. It's worried about windy conditions. Fear not. The DJI Mini 2SA can handle winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, ensuring stable and reliable flights in a variety of environments. It's a game changer for capturing content in more places. There you have it, the DJI Mini 2SA self-repeat port to limitless aerial creativity. Number 4. The Ruko F11 GIM2 Drones. First things first, let's talk about compliance. The F11 GIM2 drone is FIA Remote ID compliant, ensuring you fly with peace of mind. If you ever misplace your drone's RID, no worries, Ruko's got your back with dedicated support. Just reach out through the contact details on the manual or their website. Now, let's talk about range. This drone takes things to new heights. Literally, with a staggering 9,803 km flying range, the F11 GIM2 lets you capture breathtaking views from a whole new perspective. Start in beginner mode to ease into the experience, or go full throttle and explore distant landscapes. Now, let's focus on what truly matters. The camera. The F11 GIM2 boasts a 4K camera with a 2-axis gimbal and electric image stabilization technology. Your videos will be rock solid thanks to 5x digital zoom and an 80-degree adjustable lens. Switch between lenses effortlessly for the perfect shot every time. Time to talk endurance. The F11 GIM2 can soar through the skies for up to 32 minutes on a single charge. And guess what? It comes with 2 intelligent batteries, doubling your flight time to a whopping 64 minutes. Say goodbye to hasty flights. Now, you can take it slow and savor every moment. But what about safety and control? This drone has you covered. With GPS drone technology, it automatically returns to the takeoff point when the battery is low, signal is lost, or with just a press of a button. Plus, GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoint Fly functions are perfect for all your adventures. Wind can't stop your adventure. Thanks to its built-in brushless motor, the F11 GIM2 remains quiet and stable even in level 6 wind conditions. No more shaky images or videos, everything is under your control, making it the perfect companion for all your aerial endeavors. If you ever need technical support, Ruko offers a 30-day return or replacement policy and a 2-year warranty for quality assurance. So what are you waiting for? Elevate your drone experience with the Ruko F11 GIM2. Number 3. The DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is not just a drone, it's a game changer. Weighing under 249 grams, it's perfect for your adventures, whether it's a hike, road trip, or a relaxing beach day. But don't let its small size fool you. This drone packs a punch. With an extended battery life of up to 38 minutes, you can capture breathtaking moments at every stop along the way without worrying about the battery running out. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the stunning imagery. The Mini 3 allows you to film in 4K HDR video, delivering crystal clear aerial shots. It captures details in highlights and shadows, whether it's day or night. One feature that sets the DJI Mini 3 apart is its true vertical shooting capability. Capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls effortlessly. Plus, after capturing, your footage is perfectly oriented for platforms like Instagram. Worried about the wind? Don't be. The Mini 3 is resistant to winds up to 38 kilometers per hour level 5. So whether you're in a breezy city or on a windy hill, stay steady and capture your shot without a hitch. Here's a little extra for you tech enthusiasts out there. Did you know that the DJI Mini 3's flight time can be extended up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus? It's sold separately and available only in select countries, but it's worth considering if you want that extra flight time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Number 2. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro U's flagship triple camera drone is an absolute game changer. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the Hasselblad main camera. With a 4K CMOS sensor, 20 MP, and a wide of 0.8 to 11 aperture range, you're looking at stunning aerial shots with incredible detail. And guess what? It supports shooting raw photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. That's next-level quality, my friends. But wait, there's more. The medium telecamera on the Mavic 3 Pro boasts a 0.5-inch CMOS, a whopping 48 MP, and 3x optical zoom, plus a 0.5-inch CMOS telecamera with 7x optical zoom and an incredible 20AT's hybrid zoom at your disposal. Imagine capturing the finest details from a distance. Perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. Safety first, right? The Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly with peace of mind, thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APOS 5.0. With 8 vision sensors and a vision computing engine, this drone can sense obstacles in all directions, making every flight a safe and worry-free experience. Now let's talk flight time. The Mavic 3 Pro boasts an impressive 43-minute max flight time. That's right, 43 minutes of pure aerial bliss. Say goodbye to constantly worrying about battery levels and hello to extended, uninterrupted flights. And check this out, the DJI Air transmission system. With a range of up to 15 km, you can explore farther and get the perfect shot every time. Stable signals mean a more coherent camera view, making the Mavic 3 Pro the ultimate long-range drone for adults. But what about flying longer? The Mavic 3 Pro Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries and a charging hub, ensuring you have more time in the sky. And hey, the DJI RC, designed for ergonomic perfection, works seamlessly with this 4-camera drone for adults. More batteries mean more adventures. And there you have it, folks. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More combo, your ticket to limitless aerial creativity. If you're as excited as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more drone content, and let's soar to new heights together. Hey there, drone enthusiasts. Finally today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of aerial photography with the incredible DJI Air 3 Fly More combo. This drone is not just a gadget. It's a gateway to breathtaking visuals and immersive storytelling. Let's soar into the details. Now, what makes the DJI Air 3 so special? Well, buckle up, because it's packed with features that will elevate your drone experience to new heights. First off, it comes with the DJI RC2, a screen remote controller that enhances your piloting experience. And check this out, up to 46 minutes of flight time. That's a 48 increase compared to its predecessor. No more worrying about your battery life. You can now seize every moment, capturing those satisfying photos without rushing. Safety is paramount, especially when navigating challenging environments. The Air 3's omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures comprehensive protection, giving you worry-free flights even in places like dense forests. Fly confidently and explore without limits. With a 48 MP camera, the Air 3 delivers impressive high-quality images. Even those quickly snapped travel photos can be cropped to reveal surprising details. It's like having a professional photographer in the sky, capturing every nuance. But that's not all. Record stunning 4K 60 fps HDR videos with lifelike details and vibrant colors. The dual cameras ensure you get immersive footage that truly stands out. Your videos will never be the same again. Smooth flights are a must, and the Air 3 delivers with its stable of our HD transmission. The 6-antenna array improves video transmission, providing a stable 1080 live feed up to 20 km. Clear and reliable transmission means you can focus on capturing amazing footage. Now, the DJI Air 3 Fly More combo is the complete package. It includes the drone, 3 intelligent flight batteries, a battery charging hub, and more. Plus, with the new DJI RC2, you're in for a premium and extended flight experience. The DJI Air 3 Fly More combo, your ticket to unlimited creativity in the sky. If you're as excited as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more drone adventures, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy flying!